In a world where friendships know no boundaries, a lion and a puppy are writing their own adventure. Picture this, a lion, the embodiment of raw power and majesty, reaching out to a tiny puppy with the gentlest of gestures. The lion, with a heart as big as its future roar, plants a smooch on the puppy's paw, an act so simple yet so profound. It's a testament to the purity of their bond, a friendship that transcends the laws of the wild. A lion and a puppy, two souls embracing the essence of companionship. It's a heartwarming spectacle that captures the spellbinding beauty of unexpected friendships. Remember, in the grand tapestry of life, sometimes it's the simplest gestures that leave the deepest impressions. A lion, a puppy, and a smooch to warm even the coldest of hearts.